Coax spring along before gardening season with some Hydrangea or Boxwood Balls. While these are clearly faux, they're a nice alternative to plastic plants and last much longer than real flowers and greenery. You'll need coffee filters. I'm using the smaller filters that fit 1 to 4 cup coffee makers. A lightweight round item, like a Christmas ornament. Hot glue gun, glue sticks, and a pencil. Spray paint and a drop cloth. A planter, candlestick, or other item to use for a base. First, place the pencil's eraser in the middle of a coffee filter and pull the filter up and around the pencil on all sides. Using the hot glue gun, place a bit of glue onto the eraser end of the coffee filter. Press the glued end down onto the top of the round item. Use the pencil to keep it pressed in place while the glue sets. After a few moments, remove the pencil. Continue shaping and gluing coffee filters using this process to cover the round item. If your ball will be sitting in a planter, you can choose to cover most of the surface area with the coffee filters. This planter will cover the bottom portion, so I won't need to add filters where they won't be seen underneath. If your ball will be sitting on a candlestick, cover most of the surface, leaving a small area for the round item to sit directly on the candlestick. Paint the fluffy balls over a drop cloth. Use greens for boxwood and use purples, pinks, blues, light greens, and even whites for hydrangeas. Once the paint has fully dried, add the ball to your base object and display. On the fly DIY.